And welcome back to Attorneys on Call. In studio with us now, Matthew Bissett, the newest attorney at the Whitley Law Firm, and Ann Ochsner, one of the key litigators at the Whitley Law Firm. Thank you both for being here, obviously. And Ann, you do a lot of litigations for the firm, and I know we were talking in the commercial break about some of the trends that you're seeing now in litigation. Kind of tell our viewers what you're seeing and what's going on there.
Yeah, so thinking back about some of the cases I've litigated over this last year, two things that kind of jump out at me. Insurance companies not properly valuing a claim when the at-fault driver was impaired, drunk driving.
So drunk driving, okay.
Correct.
And your client's been injured from this person.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, insurance companies, so why that makes a difference. If you're involved in a motor vehicle accident with somebody who just, is ordinarily negligent, like runs a stop sign and injured. Okay, your case, you're entitled to compensatory damages, things like your medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, to make you whole. When someone is impaired, that's aggravated conduct, and so now you're entitled to punitive damages.
Okay.
So that's damages in addition to the compensatory damages.
Okay.
And the point of punitive damages is to punish. What you did was wrong. Don't do that, to make an example out of you for others, just, discourage that conduct from others. So that is, a different level of damages to a case. And so over this last year, I've litigated multiple cases where the at-fault driver was impaired, but the insurance company, before we filed the lawsuit, just completely disregarded that aspect of the case. So we filed the lawsuit, research, develop that aspect of the case, get all the police records, the witness information, the breathalyzer results.
Sure.
And, and then you have to essentially, force the insurance companies to be like, hey, look, if this goes to a jury trial, you know what I mean? You're going to be on the hook for more damages than just the compensatory damages.
So why do you think that is? I mean, I know you can't read the mind of an insurance company or an adjuster, but there's got to be a financial reason for them, which is why they're doing this.
Sure. Well, from where I'm sitting, let's look at what the insurance companies do. Their business model is to take more in premiums than they pay out in claims.
Yeah, exactly.
So they have every incentive to lower or devalue, hold the value of those cases down. And I mean, part of it just seems like, if you want it, you're going to have to come and get it. You know what I'm saying? Like you're going to have to go through the steps. And so that's exactly what we've done.